Hi guys, hope you had a fabulous day. Today I am going to prepare a classic Manipuri vegetarian recipe called Usoi Ooti, which simply translates into bamboo shoot with dried peas. It is a popular comforting mushy peas recipe which is generally prepared for lunch as it's really heavy. The ingredients required for our Usoi Ooti are fresh sliced bamboo shoots, dried green or yellow peas which has been soaked overnight, crushed ginger, raw rice which I have rinsed multiple times, oil, salt, khar or cooking soda, dried red chilies, finely sliced onions, bay leaf, finely chopped chives, asafoetida also known as hing, sliced orange rind and finely chopped coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. Take a deep pan, add the green peas, sliced bamboo shoots, crushed ginger, raw rice and 2 cups of water. Cover the lid and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes until the peas are cooked. Ensure that the peas are neither too mushy nor undercooked. Now add salt and cooking soda or khar. Give it a stir and cook it on a low flame for 10 minutes. Gently stir in between. Once done, keep aside. Now take another pan for tempering and add oil. Once hot, add bay leaf, dried red chilies, asafoetida or hing powder, onions, chives and orange rind. Stir it well and cook it for 1 minute. Now add the boiled bamboo shoots and peas mixed into the pan. Stir it well and cook it for 10 minutes. Finally add the chopped coriander leaves. Give it a stir and our dish is ready. The dish is ridiculously delicious and the tempering has added a lot of flavor and aroma to the peas, which is smooth, and I love the fresh bamboo shoots that just uplifts the humble recipe to the next level. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, do share it with your friends, and before it gets too cold, it's time for me to dig in.